Welcome to the Cleanroom Products Show. This video is one of a series of videos on the topic of Cleanroom cleaning swabs. This video is based on the CM-FS751 universal foam swab. First of all, this swab adopts imported 100% polyurethane foam, which can provide excellent adsorption, abrasion resistance, and water absorption as its effective protection in dust-free fields or general cleaning. The handle part is made of polypropylene material with good toughness and not easy to bend. It has a total length of 66.8 millimeters, a rod length of 51.8 millimeters, a head length of 15 millimeters, a head width of 3.7 millimeters, and a head thickness of 3.7 millimeters, a rod width of 2.4 millimeters. Regarding its manufacture, these swabs are manufactured to precise and consistent tolerances using a high-precision automated process, and are washed with pure water to make them free of organic contaminants. Then in the ISO 10 Cleanroom workshop, it is packaged in the specification of 500 sticks per pack. Sealed packed swabs in a cool environment can be stored for 2 years so that you will have no worries about the stock. For specific cleaning parameters, please refer to this table. Regarding its application scenarios, this swab can be used in the chip industry, hard disk industry, optical equipment, machinery manufacturing, scanners, and other work environments that require pollution control and the cleaning of personal equipment. Because this cotton swab uses a threaded head design, it can provide greater friction and dirt accommodation during cleaning. Therefore, this cotton swab is very suitable for cleaning small holes or grooves with much dirt. Thank you for watching this issue of Cleanroom Product Show. If you want to buy this product, you can log in www.cleanroom.com or www.cleanroom.alibaba.com.